Alright, so car wash. So these are the new tires. So we're going with the same size in the front. These are 215, let's see, 215, 65, rim 16. So we're going with the same size. And on the back, we got 225, 60, rim 16. We're going 235s in the back. And I'm at the car wash, so I'm gonna get the car washed and then you guys can see it. Alright, so car wash. So these are the new tires. Much more aggressive than the old ones. You can see deeper tread design. So I wanted to go wider, and eventually we will, but for now these would do. So these are Advantage TA Sport BF. It's the BF Goodrich tires. So there's the new tires. So modifications as of now. New tires all around, smoke license plate, brand new carpet inside. There's actually a lot of parts in there. Got parts inside ready for new exhaust to be put on. We're going with headers and true duals. Can't really tell the carpet, it's kind of dirty right now, but we got new black carpet inside. Lots more to come. Stay tuned.